What's going on, guys? Tebi Kelly here from the MTTRs team, and I warmly welcome you to this new video. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to recover a banned Telegram account or phone number. Whether you were banned on your mobile device or on your PC, you've landed on the right video. So without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So if you notice, over the past couple of years, Telegram have enforced their policies to meet the security standards, and by so doing they have been banning several accounts, and most accounts that they get to ban or that they've banned already are mainly accounts from Africa, from areas like Africa and even Asia. So in Africa you have many countries just as Cameroon, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, or many other countries. So if you are in one of these countries, there's a big probability that your account was banned, and they actually banned this account because they suspect illegal or fraudulent activities that's related with the account, especially with most scammers using the platform to scam other users. Okay, so in most cases you aren't always the cause, and it is just a misunderstanding or an error that can easily be tackled. So let's get into recovering your banned Telegram account. So the most straightforward way to recover your banned Telegram account or your banned Telegram number is to try proceeding through the app. Okay, so when you open the app, you will typically be shown that, or you will typically be locked out of the Telegram application, and you have to relog in order to confirm that your account was banned and get the steps to recover your account. So to log into your Telegram account, you just have to enter your phone number as you normally do, just as so. And after entering your phone number, you just want to proceed, or just click on this arrow button to proceed. And if after proceeding you are shown that your Telegram account is actually banned, then you just need to click on that help button down there, which will redirect you to a form that you have to fill, or to an email, to your email address, where you have to compose an email and send to Telegram. So after clicking through that help button, the automated email that should come up should be something like this. Okay, and this information typically has everything that Telegram needs to reconsider your account, or to review your account and reconsider it or reject your appeal. Okay, as you can see, there's the app version, there's the OS, the device name, and the local or your language, okay, which is EN, English. So you want to craft this email in the best way you can. This is just the automated email that I sent to Telegram in order to recover my account. Okay, and in the second attempt I tried resending back an email to Telegram. Okay, here you can see that I crafted an email and actually explained to them that the banishment was unrecognized and that I needed my account to be reinstated. So I was just straight to the point and brief with them, because I understand and I know that the account wasn't in violation. Okay, so this is just the first way to reach out to Telegram support, and typically they should get back to you within 5 business days. Okay, I say 5 because in some countries they take longer, in some other countries they can respond to you in just let me say 2 days, and in other countries it can take even up to 3 or 5 days, especially in African countries. So that's just how this first method is all about. Okay, this is the step that everybody should have probably already taken, and if you've taken this step, it doesn't work, then you want to take the next step, or you want to follow the next method to recover your Telegram banned account. So this second method is still all about reaching out to Telegram support, but this way you'll be reaching out to them through the support form. And after going through some reviews on the internet, I found out that Telegram is more kind, or is more likely to respond to support forms, okay, to emails coming from their support form, unlike emails coming from the request to reinstate account. So you can use this support form to actually describe your problem, that your account was banned, and then request them to reinstate your account. Okay, you can craft an email. It should be short, brief, and simple, and also be straight to the point. So you just need to tell Telegram exactly what actually is happening with your account. As an email, as a sketch, I have already crafted an email right here. You can see it is very short and straight to the point. Okay, and then after adding this one, you just want to add your name at the bottom. just as so, and then you want to enter your full name right here. Okay, just enter your full name, and then your email. You also enter your email, and your phone number, make sure you enter it with the country code. So after entering your phone number, you just want to click on this submit to submit the form. Okay, you can see the phone number. You can take note of it because I will be showing you how I'm able to access this phone number once more on Telegram, because the account actually got recovered. So you just click on submit, just as so. So I didn't validate the captcha. I'm just going to resubmit this form once more, and then great, thanks for your report. We will try to reply to you as soon as possible. Like I said earlier, it should take between 2 to 5 business days for Telegram to get through your report or your request and review your account to determine whether it is eligible for a reinstatement or just for a rejection, or the decision should be stand as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is the account I got back on Telegram. You can look at the phone number. It is actually what I showed you earlier. And even when we come on to see more details, you can see that the phone number is actually there, the username, and then is just a ton more of features that are available with this account. Okay, I had to try Telegram Premium on it for a week to see how protected it can, how much protection it can offer this account, and the benefits that actually come with this Telegram Premium feature. So in case you were unsuccessful to get your Telegram account unbanned, you can just try to sign up to Telegram, especially if you are in African countries. Okay, in African or Asian countries where SMS bills are actually higher, because Telegram has leveraged this advantage to offer you a paid plan from their Telegram Premium subscription. So your number by default is going to be reset, or every details or every information that you have on your account are going to be erased from the Telegram platform. So what you have to do is just to sign up back with that same phone number, and then you access your account. But be cautious, anything that you had on this Telegram account is going to be erased forever. So what actually is experience with recovering your Telegram account? I'll be happy to hear from you and what you've experienced with this overall process. Okay, so you can drop your experience in the comment section, and if you've had any, or if you face any difficulty, I'll also be very happy to help you out in order to recover your Telegram account. Alright, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss upcoming content. So I catch you in the next episode.